At present, we are the one of the largest DSS in Kolkata, and we are having our entire franchisee base and our branch base, whatever the foot on the street also over there. All total, it's more than 180, and at present, uh, at not only the Kolkata or not only the West Bengal, not only the pan India, we are presently appearing from the national, international wide loan sectors. Basically, we have our tie-ups and we are doing new tie-ups also there. So basically, we are the financial consultant. We think it's from the ground level. We are the financial consultant, and you can tell it we are the financial doctor for all of the customers who need some financial guidance or any loans or any financial feedback from our side. In the earlier, just now I have told you, okay, we are also doing the international business over there. So it's not possible to reach to the international customers to each and every time. It's a question of various formalities like passport, visa, and bagara bagara. There is a lot more things, whatever we have to do. So till the time what we do, okay, we are just calling the customers or the lenders from the outside of India to come to us. And in case of pan India also, wherever we are traveling a lot, but in each and every time it's not being possible in the COVID succeeded area. Just now, as Mumbai has gone through the 144, just like we have a customer, but we are not being able to reach them. So in that case, what we do, okay, the banking express is a good way. Definitely, I think so. Okay, if it reaches to the end-to-end customer from the banking end or the lender's end to the customer's end, it could help a lot to us. Whenever, definitely, we think for the banking express, it's a customer who have the Android phones. Even if the customer have the Android phone, it can help. I think so. It's a loss of a way to benefit. There is a very much beneficial software. I think so. Because post COVID, it's going on, and the pandemic situation is going on, and India already came from fifth to third standard. आदमी लोग बड़ा होता है इंडिया छोटा होते जा रहा है फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड टू थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड पे आ चुका है तो वट एवर इज द पोस्ट कोविड इज द सिचुएशन एंड आई बिलीव कि एंड टू एंड कस्टमर व्हाट आई हैव जस्ट नाउ टोल्ड कि पोस्ट कोविड सिचुएशन is very much helpful for the banking space. Definitely, whatever stories you have earlier, as we discussed, you thought this portfolio or the platform for before COVID times, but I think post COVID it's could be a necessary thing in a near future.